Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign out of your Gmail account. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you are on the Gmail homepage, ensure you are logged into the account you wish to sign out of. This process is straightforward and helps maintain your account security, especially on shared devices. We will cover both single device and remote sign-out options. To sign out from your current device, look for your profile picture or initial, usually found in the top right corner of your Gmail screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you will see a clear Sign Out button. Clicking this will immediately end your session on that specific device, ensuring your privacy. If you need to sign out from a device you no longer have access to, you can do so remotely. Go to your Google account security settings. Look for the Your Devices section, which lists all devices currently signed into your Google account. Here, you can review each active session and choose to sign out from any device you wish, enhancing your account security. For optimal security, always remember to sign out of your Gmail account when using public or shared computers. It is also a good practice to regularly check your Google account security settings to review all connected devices. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account, even if they have your password.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.